the other way, but it wouldn't let me. So once you go ahead and click on my link, right, and you download the app, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the right hand corner right there. You're gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to this right here. And you're gonna go all the way down to the bottom and get where it says share simple. Click on that, and then you're gonna be able to get your own link. You see where the bottom one says share link right here? Click on that, and then once you click on that, you're gonna go ahead and hit copy to clipboard. Copy to clipboard, and it should go into your clipboard, right? So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go into the message. Whoever sent you actual info, you're gonna go to their page, right? I'm gonna go ahead and use the I gotta say I'm gonna use the group that we're in, and I'm just gonna copy and paste it right here, right? I'm gonna paste it, but I'm gonna erase everything else right here. All right, I'm just gonna erase everything else and just leave the link. All right, I'm gonna erase all that right there and just leave the link. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna save that link, right? You're gonna save it, copy it, and just go ahead and erase it. And the same link that I sent you guys that looks like this, you're gonna copy it, right? You're gonna copy it, hit copy, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy it right here, right? Copy it, and you're gonna erase the link that's right here already. Erase that link, right? And then you're gonna post your own link, the one that you save from your app. That way you can share your own link with people, and then you share it with them. Okay, guys. That way you can share your own link, and once they order the car, you're gonna do the same thing I was doing with you guys. Write down the day they receive it. That way, once they receive it, you're gonna I'm gonna show you that part once you join. Once you receive it, or you're gonna ask them to send you their email and their number, and then once they do that, right, just go back to the simple app. See where that right here goes back to the simple app. I'm gonna show you. Let me grab my code. All right, once you go to the simple app, you're gonna go to where it says payment, right? It says payment transfers. Click on that. Once you click on that, we see where it says the top right here, instant transfer. Click on there, and then you see all the people that already logged in and stuff like that. You want to get approved. So you see the little plus sign right here. You click on that. Once you click on that, you're gonna ask them for for their email and their phone number, and you're gonna add it. Once you add it, it's gonna show up right here is that they needs to be approved. So you gotta let them know that they gotta approve you. So once they approve you, right? Let's say I go to this person right here, you could send them $1. You just gotta hit $1, and right here on the right hand corner, let me move this out the way. On the right hand corner, you just hit that right there, and you'll send them $1. And once you send them $1, they receive $1, and you could send it to them. You send them $1. All they gotta do is go to the store and use the card. You could buy a pack of gum or a juice or anything, and you both make $20. Let me show you how it's gonna show up. All right, so you're gonna go to, let's say, activities. I only got $14. I was used. I was see right there that somebody already used that card. I got $20 from there. Got another 20 right there. Got another 20. You see what I mean? So the money comes up 20. Every time they use the card, you'll make $20. Okay, guys. So it's that simple. So hopefully this video helped you out. If not, I'll see if I'll make another video to break it down a little bit better. So once you click on my link, download the app under my link, and then all you gotta do is let me know when you're gonna receive the card. Fill out the information, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys. So God bless, and hopefully this video helped you out.